Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce one of the oldest CNC router manufacturers in the world, that is Thermo. So that we will go to the company website and see what all product they manufactures and what are the latest development in their product line. So Thermo is a very old manufacturing company regarding CNC router machine. They have number of products in their product basket, that is many machineries of different specifications they are manufacturing. In 3-axis they have 3-axis nest base, that is cabinet shop 43, 45, these all different sizes. And also they have cut ready series. Okay, and that is the latest development, the cut ready series. And in the 3-axis frame builder, they have frame builder 48, 53, and also 3D 3-axis multi-purpose machine like multi-purpose 43, 45, 53, 63. All different sizes are available, and also 3-axis auto processor. Okay, then 5-axis also 5-axis machine also they have, and multi-purpose 67, multi-purpose 90, and multi-purpose 70 and 77, like that. So this is the range of products they have. They have 3-axis machines, 5-axis machine, and they have the 3D printer also they have introduced, that is the large scale additive manufacturing machine, that is not directly connected to CNC router machine. And they have also cut center, that is the more automated version of say CNC router machine, okay, where you can use with the templates. So in 3-axis machine, we already seen that we can go to the 3-axis place, and we just now introduced to you the cabinet shop 43, that is the 4 feet and 8 feet machine, 4 feet by 8 feet work area. And they have another next bigger size, that is 5 feet by 10 feet, and also they have an auto processor with the 7 feet by 10 feet shown like this. So, and also they have a cabinet shop MTR. This one have a size of 7 feet by 10 feet. So you'll get more information also about this machine. This is for cabinet shop. It's a complete 3-axis routing system with single or dual inline tables for nested base, composite or plastic sheet material. This one. So the different specification is already given. So this will do more nesting type work for panel wood processing. Okay. So this one, and this is the 3-axis one. In this 3-axis, they have a cabinet shop series and multi-purpose series. This is multi-purpose series. Okay, you can do multi-purpose. That is, you can do the hardwood also in this with the different shapes like door carving and all those kind of things, furniture making. So it's a more flexible and ideal for a variety of manufacturing purpose. And frame builder series. So this is a moving gantry type machine with 4-roller hood and 3-axis CNC router, designed for routing and stack machining of large sheet materials such as MDF, particle board, and plywood, with the individually programmable table side bars for ease of sheet positioning and unloading, and built-in chip collection hood that cleans the table as it executes the automation loading and unloading process. This is the pallet, that is the pallet changer, where you can load and unload the workpiece. Also automatic tools changing also available in this machine. So last we will go to the cut ready version. So that is the 3-axis. In 5-axis already, we'll go back to see what is in 5-axis. So 5-axis, you can see a multi-purpose machines, dual head also available. This is dual pallet also available. 5-axis with either single or dual moving aluminum tables. Okay, this one. And also the size is 5 feet by 10 feet, and also 5 feet by 12 feet also available, and then 10 feet by 20 feet also, very big machine, so available. This is another wall type structure. So it's a heavy duty type, high speed contained system for the machining of large aerospace and composite material. So this machine, we will look at larger look at it. Composites, aerospace, plastic trimming for non-ferrous materials, actually metals, non-ferrous metals. So a heavy duty, high speed machine for the large aerospace and composite materials. So this is a full cover like this, and canopy shown as like this. And also this gantry is a wall type gantry system. So you can see the power of the spindle, like 12 HP, 19 HP, like that. And also the RPM as 24,000 RPM. So there is a 4-position automatic tool changer also available. And at the different degree of angles, the Z-axis can move vertical, and also the optional angles also they have given. So dust collection also available. Automatic tool length measurement also optionals are available. Automatic tool length sensor also available. Automatic tool lubrication system is as a standard. You have a gantry lighting systems, and low mist coolant system for cutting aluminum and all. You can use the mist cooling system, coolant system, and machine canopy that's also optional. And there is a continuous Z-axis also optional available. So remote start and stop pedestal, that also optional available. And they also give the machine training and installation. This is the thermal. Okay, so this is about the 4-axis machine, 5-axis machine. Okay, then I am not covering the large scale additive manufacturing. This is the one more product line they have added, that is totally in the rapid prototyping and the 3D printer and additive manufacturing session. This is additive manufacturing machine. This all CNC router is basically a subtractive manufacturing, where you give a bigger piece of material, and from that you remove a lot of material and get that required shape. But in additive manufacturing, you just add layer by layer material and get the required shape. Then the newly added one is this cut sender. This I found it very innovative, the way they have introduced this product. You can see there. So in this, what happening is that they have ready-made templates are available, and they have automated the machine such a way that it can change the workpiece and also the tool automatically without much manual intervention. That is the advantages. And also you need not require a programmer to design and also make the programming NC code for the machine, because all templates are made it like that. Once you select different options, it automatically.
Hello, my name is Jody Wallace. I'm product manager for Thermal.
I'm just keeping it. You can later you can see it. What is there? I will just See, like this, if you go to the machine, it will ask. Okay, so they are telling this no programmer is required here. So let us see from the beginning itself what's the things. Okay, this is what they claim. So what is about the CNC machine versus cutter center? This cut center, what it do is that they claim that CNC operator is not required, so require no training, machine maintenance, managing tools. Okay, in some extent it is not required. Okay, it's not like that. If you have a machine, you have all this thing is required actually, not specifically all operator need to have that knowledge. And also CNC programmer, because why it's told like that no training is required, so no CNC programmer is required, machining operation, design, writing programs, all this, understand the tooling, all this is not requiring because it's work on that particular template what is available is there. If you want to do out of that given selection, we can't do it. That time you want a programmer that you can do with a CNC rotor machine, because this machine is particularly set for certain templates. For that templates or some certain jobs that is suitable, there you don't require a manual intervention to select the tool, also to design the program. You have to give some values only. There I'm just explaining, is just explaining in cut center. Okay, so you can just see that here, you can see that here. No, when you go and make something, what you want, you can just there is an interface, you can interactive. When this is make something new or running existing one, if you go to the existing one, you can go to the what cabinet, drawer, or door, or molding furniture, or cuts, whatever you want. If you go inside, you can see whether you want a frameless or face frame, whether you want an attached or not attached, or the different samples, no standards templates given in which category you want. You can just select it, so that the ready-made program is already done. Then you can, after selecting that particular product, you can just give the overall size. By giving the overall size, it will automatically calculate and decide how many pieces is required to manufacture, and it will calculate the total sheets also required for that. And we have to feed that much of sheets. Automatically it will hold load because you are already have a ready automated pallet changer, so it will automatically change. Also it will select the tools what is readily. This is really an innovative product this Thumbwood has came with. So I will really appreciate the thinking the out of box. Okay, so hope that you had got a fair idea about Thumbwood. So, okay, so hope that this information is useful to you. You can explore their website to know more about this product, this CNC rotor. Okay, so thanks for listening. Hope that this session is useful to you. If you want to know more information regarding CNC rotor machine, please mail to me, ask@pradeepkumarkp.com. You can also register for my webinar where I will be giving you a lot more information and give you guidelines how to achieve success with CNC routing business. Thank you very much.